Welcome back to our channel C++ language. What is C++ language? This video is useful for degree and PG level students. C++ is an object-oriented programming. Language. It is used for web development, game programming, operating system, GUI application and data structures. C++ is support both procedural and object-oriented programming languages. C++ is a platform-dependent language, but it is a machine-independent language. This video is useful for +2 and degree level students. What is C++? C++ is an object-oriented programming language. Thank you.